Check it out, I found Seconds bananas. And it's pretty hot outside, so I think the only thing to do is to make some frozen banana treats. I have a bunch of ideas, so let's get started and see how many we get done. Our first treat is frozen banana bark. Start by mashing the bananas onto a silicone mat and spreading them into an even layer. Add a thin layer of almond butter or peanut butter, then followed by a layer of melted chocolate. If you add a little oil to the chocolate, it spreads more easily. Top with a flaky salt and freeze before cracking into pieces for easy snacking. Next, we'll be making coconut yogurt pops. Gently insert popsicle sticks into banana halves. Then you're going to dip or slather them with vegan yogurt. I got the type with the highest fat content for the best frozen texture. Next, roll in shredded coconut before placing on a wax paper lined tray and freezing. For a fruity dessert, let's make a mango banana sorbet. Start with frozen bananas and mangoes and process them in a food processor. Pro tip, if you break up your mangoes more than I did here, you'll be pleased. This was a total pain. Add a tablespoon or so of maple syrup and then transfer to the freezer to firm up. Next, we'll be making a chocolate peanut butter nice cream. Nice cream is an ice cream alternative, but it's made with frozen banana instead of dairy or sugar. Process the frozen bananas with cocoa powder and a touch of maple syrup until smooth. You're going to add your peanut butter in and swirl it into the ice cream before transferring it into the freezer and freezing until solid. A simple but impactful option is going to be these chocolate-covered banana coins. Cut your banana into inch-long slices. Melt some chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments, stirring each time. Again, adding some oil makes it easier for dipping. We're going to add some dried ginger to this for a bit of a kick. Dip the banana slices and then transfer them onto a lined plate and freeze until solid. We're going to need the stove for our last treat. Heat about 1.5 cups of oat milk with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sugar. Use an immersion blender to add 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 2 bananas. Without the blender, you're going to get a lot of lumps. Heat until thick. Smash some cookies and let's assemble. Put a little pudding into each popsicle mold and then some cookie crumbs. Repeat and then use a stick to swirl it a little. Insert the sticks and freeze until solid. And just like it's magic, they're all frozen. The only thing left to do is try all of these, and for some arbitrary reason, I'm going to be crowning one of these as the frozen banana treat of summer of 2024. Ooh, exciting. Who will win? Let's see. First off, our frozen banana coins. These are nice. The creaminess of the banana really gives you that ice cream feel, even though it is literally just a banana. It reminds me of those frozen chocolate ice creamy things that had the crack. Oh, Klondike. Kind of reminds me of a Klondike, but banana with some clove in there, which is nice. My mind is not blown, but these are tasty. Next, mango banana sorbet. I heated this up in the microwave for about 30 seconds because it was kind of rock solid. This one is very refreshing. It tastes like mango. It tastes like banana. Not surprising because that is literally what it is. It's got this nice texture. It's creamy and it's got a little bit of like an icy crunch because of all the fruit. Kind of my favorite thing about this one is I can share it with my dog, not gonna lie. Next, almond butter, chocolate, and banana bark with large flaky salt on top. The almond butter really adds a lot to this. It's smooth, as is the banana, and then you hit the chocolate and you just get that crunch. Every once in a while, you'll also get a piece of that salt, and it really makes it much more dynamic. Nutty, crunchy. I like that this is very customizable too. You could use different nut butters or you could add different things on top. Very nice. Plus, super, super easy. Okay, next one. Frozen yogurt banana pops. This is the one I'm kind of maybe least sure what I'm getting into. So let's see. Okay. It's really banana heavy at first. You're just tasting banana. And it was making me think, why did I even add yogurt to this? But once you get through those first couple bites, that tang from the yogurt hits you with a little bit of sweetness and vanilla, and then you're hit with all the coconut. Next we have our chocolate and peanut butter nice cream. That is delicious. This is my kind of a nice cream because chocolate, really. This is my kind of an ice cream. I love the chocolatiness. I love the bits of butter, nut butter. I think at the time I tried to swirl it in and not mix it in fully. I am not getting that. It seems pretty mixed in fully, but also very delicious. If you've never made an ice cream before, yes, it is not ice cream. That is true. I'm not trying to claim it is, but it is much closer than you would expect. The creaminess of the banana really is quite akin to the creaminess of an ice cream. All right, and lastly, we're gonna try our vegan banana Puddin Pops, which a large part of me just made because I'd like to say Puddin Pop. That is much softer than I expected. It is so soft and creamy. I have to get some cookie, 1 second. I think that might be basically a crime. The ginger cutting through the banana and the pudding. Yum. This is really good. It's banana and it's vanilla. And then you hit the cookie, and I used a ginger snap so you get those splashes of ginger. All right, we've tried all our treats. Now it's time to crown the winner. Ooh, this is a tough one. I'm going to give second place of this contest to the almond butter banana bark. This one was really, really easy. And so I'd say for the amount of effort it took, it is quite dynamic. It's very versatile. You could have a lot of fun with that. But it is not the winner. The undisputed winner of frozen banana dessert of the summer of 2024 would have to be the banana Puddin Pop. It's delicious, it's fun, it's creamy, and that's it, my friends. If you have a surplus of bananas, I hope we provided some ideas for you here. Are there other frozen banana desserts that you like to make? Do you think we crowned the right frozen banana dessert of 2024, or do you disagree? If you disagree, you are wrong. but I would love to hear about it. Tell me in the comments. And while you're there, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.